This portion of the video is sponsored by OBSBOT. So I've been testing the OBSBOT Tiny 2 Lite, and this little webcam is way more powerful than it looks. It's honestly smaller than my cup of coffee, but it packs a full half-inch CMOS sensor, 48 megapixel stills, and 4K video with a f1.8 aperture. For a webcam that weighs 91 grams, that's kind of wild. Small body, big punch, the real magic is the AI tracking with auto zoom. It's like having a tiny camera operator that follows you around your desk. The gimbal gives you a 2-axis PTZ system with pan up to 140 degrees and tilt from 30 degrees down to 70 degrees up. And it moves fast, up to 120 degrees per second. So if you're someone who talks with your hands, moves around a lot, like my wife, or films product demos like we do, it keeps you framed perfectly without you doing anything. You also get Gesture Control 2.0, which lets you start tracking, stop tracking, zoom in, zoom out, simply by just raising your hand, not reaching over to your monitor or messing with settings mid-shot. And if you want more control, the OBSBOT Center app lets you dial in presets, switching between close-ups, wide shots, or overhead angles instantly. For video quality, you can shoot up to 4K 30 FPS or 1080p 60 FPS for smooth, crisp motion. And the 10cm minimum focus distance is clutch for showing off small components, some small details, or close-up ASMR shots. It locks focus quickly and stays sharp even when you bring things up right to the lens. Audio is handled surprisingly well with a dual omnidirectional mic and built-in noise reduction. So if you're doing meetings, streaming, or voiceover in a pinch, it actually sounds clean without external gear. And the setup is stupid simple. Plug it in with USB-C, mount it on your monitor or tripod, and you're done. It works on Windows, Mac OS, and pretty much any laptop. So if you want your desk setup to instantly look way premium without using a full camera rig, the OBSBOT Tiny 2 Lite is honestly one of the easiest upgrades. Thanks again to OBSBOT for sponsoring this portion of the video. Now let's get right back.